homeowners and property managers. Are you tired of the endless search for reliable and skilled contractors for your home repairs? Look no further! Welcome to 247 ProFinder, your ultimate solution to hassle-free contractor sourcing. Finding trustworthy contractors for your home repairs can be an exhausting and daunting task. Hours spent searching through listings, making numerous calls, and hoping for quality workmanship only to be disappointed with the results. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way anymore. Introducing 247 ProFinder, your go-to web-based system that simplifies the entire contractor search process. Our platform is designed to match you with skilled, certified, and reliable contractors in just a few clicks. With 247 ProFinder, finding the right contractor is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply enter your project details, browse through a curated list of experienced contractors, and select the perfect match for your needs.
Hi there, my name is Scott W., and I just had an incredible experience finding a contractor through 247 ProFinder. I was skeptical at first, like anyone would be, but let me tell you, the process was seamless. From start to finish, 247 ProFinder made it easy to find the perfect contractor for my kitchen remodel. The platform's vetting process gave me confidence in their skills, and the contractor I chose delivered beyond my expectations. I couldn't be happier. If you're looking for trustworthy contractors, I highly recommend giving 247 ProFinder a try. It's a game changer.
Hey, I'm Linda D., and I'm thrilled with the service I received from 247 ProFinder. Double quotes the best part. I felt confident in the quality of work because 247 ProFinder vets all their contractors thoroughly. When my deck needed urgent repairs, I didn't know where to start. That's when a friend recommended 247 ProFinder. I was amazed at how quickly I found a qualified contractor. The platform's user-friendly interface allowed me to browse through options and connect with a contractor who understood my vision perfectly. The contractor I hired through 247 ProFinder did an outstanding job. The project was completed on time, within budget, and the results were phenomenal. I'm so grateful for the seamless experience.
Hi, I'm Winston, and I recently used 247 ProFinder to find a contractor for my home renovation. I was hesitant about entrusting my renovation project to someone new, but 247 ProFinder's rigorous screening process gave me peace of mind. The platform provided me with a selection of highly rated contractors, making it easy to choose the perfect fit for my project. The contractor I found through 247 ProFinder was professional, skilled, and exceeded my expectations. Thanks to them, my home looks amazing, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome.
At 247 ProFinder, we prioritize your satisfaction and convenience. Our platform ensures transparency, reliability, and accountability every step of the way. Plus, we offer a secure payment system for your peace of mind. Say goodbye to the stress of finding contractors and hello to hassle-free home repairs with www.247profinder.com. Join our community of satisfied homeowners and property managers today. Visit us at www.247profinder.com and experience the easiest way to find top-notch contractors for your home repair needs. Remember, 247 Profinder, where quality meets convenience.